Imagine capturing your daily habits, the thrill of this present moment, and your treasured experiences, all in English. How? But of course, by mastering the present tenses. Today, we'll explore the present simple, present continuous, and present perfect tenses to help you share every aspect of your life with confidence.
So, Bruno, do you often go on blind dates?
No, not really. I usually meet people through friends. But I've been looking forward to this.
Me too. So, what have you been doing lately?
I've actually had a lot of work and haven't had time for much. What about you?
I'm starting up my own business, and I've also had a lot to do. I usually relax with a long walk or a good book before bed.
That sounds great. What are you reading these days?
A heartbreaking romance. What else? And you? Do you read?
Oh, sure. But you see, I'm more into mysteries.
Well, Bruno, I think you and I could be a perfect match.
I sure hope so.
The present simple is used for routines and facts. To form it, we use the base verb. For the third person singular, we add s. In questions and negatives, we use do or does, along with the base verb. The present continuous describes actions happening now or in a period around the moment of speaking. Form it with am, is, or are, plus the ing form of the verb. Questions and negatives follow the pattern of the verb to be, plus the ing form of the verb. The present perfect links past actions to the present. We form it with have or has, plus the past participle of the verb. The past participle is the base verb with ed for regular verbs, and the third column in the list of irregular verbs found in most grammar books. Questions invert have or has with the subject, and for negatives, we use haven't or hasn't. The present perfect continuous shows actions that started in the past and continue now. Form it with have been or has been, plus the ing form of the verb. Questions and negatives follow the pattern of the simple present perfect. So in everyday speech, we might say, I walk to school every day, but he takes the bus. This week I'm reading a great book, but right now I'm watching my favourite show on TV. They have been to England twice, but they haven't been to Germany yet. How long has she been studying English? She has been studying it for almost 2 years. Feeling a bit more confident already? Keep practicing to become even more fluent.